Happy test day, 6th grade. I am gone. I'm at a funeral, so you have a guest teacher today. I am expecting an amazing report. Okay? Expectations are still the same. You're being respectful of the guest teacher, respectful of other students, and be helpful. Okay? Don't let me down. You got this. Make sure you have your folder and pencil and you're ready to go. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to look over our notes. You have 5 minutes. Okay, flip through your pages. Are you missing any area folders? Ask yourself that. Okay, do you have a triangle? Do you have a parallelogram? Do you have a rhombus and a rectangle and a trapezoid? Are there any summaries you could add? Okay, we're answering those essential questions. Why do I break it down? Why do I multiply times 1/2? What is the difference between area and perimeter? Answer those. They will help you on your test. Ask yourself, does my neighbor have the notes I'm missing? Some of you don't have all the notes, and it's going to be hard to take your test. So use these 5 minutes, own it, and say, hey, I'm missing the area of a trapezoid. Could you help me? Can I just quick copy from your notes? Okay? If somebody does ask, please let them. And lastly, what do I always forget when I'm solving for area and perimeter? Are you remembering your units? Are you remembering what is inside and outside? Okay? Add this note to yourself if you need to remember. So you have 5 minutes. Use them wisely. All right, here we go. Test time. Game time. You can use your notes, old quizzes, and practice sheets to help you. No calculators. Okay? There won't be decimals. There won't be huge numbers. Just work it out. Use your strategies to multiply and divide. Okay? Take your time. Don't rush. I'm sure we're going to have to use a second day to finish because this is a long test just like last unit. So don't feel that this is your only chance to finish. Take your time. Lastly, if you finish, take a maze sheet from the front table. Okay? And, remember to be mindful of others. So you're still quiet. You're on a 0 because people need to concentrate and I want you to be respectful of others. And if you do finish, put it in the hour shelf. Okay? Before you start, I want to go over on your test. I want you all to add something. So I'm going to give you a second. Have the sub pass out your tests. All right, so just like we talked about on our review, okay, I want you to add in linear units. That's like inches. Square units, inches squared. And cubic units is inches cubed. Add that in. That's what I'm asking for. So when you're finding the perimeter of a picture frame, which one do we use? When I'm finding the area of a rug, which one am I using? Okay? There are some on your test that are scribbled out. Let me find one. Like this. Don't do 14. Okay? That's scribbled out. You don't need to do that one. Same with 10 and 11. You don't need to do 10 and 11. Okay? And then I think there's one more. Yep. Number 16. Don't worry about it. Okay? Do it to your best of your abilities. Try your best. You got this, 6th grade. I can't wait to see you on Monday.